In my work, I focus on microscopic small organisms and particles which are not visible with the naked eye. We are investigating these particles and organisms with modern and innovative high-throughput technologies. So currently we are working on pollen, which are relevant for allergy sufferer, for example, but also for pollinators. And the diversity of these pollen is really important for the health of those insects and organisms. And on the other side, I also work on phytoplankton organisms, which are really crucial for water quality issues. With our innovative method, we were able to show that we can measure in much shorter time. So in comparison to microscopy, we were able to determine cell concentration in 20 minutes instead of 4 hours of microscopic counting. And we also showed that we achieved a species identification of 90% accuracy. So the research topic is quite difficult to communicate because the organisms are so small that you cannot imagine what their impact could be. So in the future, I would really like to get a huge database for pollen and also for phytoplankton species, which are relevant for the European Water Framework Directive.